Hi, this is Marina from Health Glows, and today we are making a low-fat, raw vegan Russian salad. This salad consists of only plant-based ingredients, requires no cooking, is healthy and tasty. I hope that you're gonna enjoy this deliciousness. And now let's get to the recipe. The ingredients that you're gonna need are: the ingredient list with the exact measures are on my website. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video. Preparation: freeze the cauliflower and carrots in the freezer, then remove them from the freezer and let them defrost. Remove the excess water from the cauliflower. Finely chop the cauliflower. Put the chopped cauliflower in a bowl. Remove the excess water from the carrots. Finely chop the carrots. Add the chopped carrots to the cauliflower. Dice the cucumbers. Add the diced cucumbers to the cauliflower and carrots. Finely chop the mushrooms. Add the chopped mushrooms to the other vegetables in the bowl. Peel the tangerines. Blend 3 seedless tangerines with 2 tablespoons of hulled hemp seeds. Pour the dressing over the chopped vegetables and mix everything well. My suggestion is to serve this raw Russian salad with Marina's salad. I am leaving the link for the recipe for Marina's salad in the description of this video. Enjoy! I hope that you like this recipe and that you will enjoy in this beautiful salad. If you think this video deserves, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below. And don't forget to click on that bell notification button beside the subscribe button. If you want to peek into my daily life, just follow my Instagram profile or follow me on other social medias, all under Health Glows. Until the next video, I'm sending you warm regards and keep glowing. Bye bye!